pause for a second. Have you ever seen Muslims arguing online? Group chat drama? People getting cancelled over rumors? Now imagine a chapter of the Qur'an that literally addresses all of that. That chapter is Surah Al-Hujurat. It is basically a blueprint for how to act like a decent human being. Let's break it down. The surah opens by teaching believers not to put their opinions ahead of Allah and His Messenger. Back then, some people would raise their voices over the Prophet ﷺ, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala corrected them. But this isn't just historical. It's about humility. It's about not thinking we know better than divine guidance. It's about lowering our ego. We live in a loud world. Everyone has a take. Everyone wants to be right. The surah starts by saying, calm down, learn, so show some respect. Spiritual maturity begins with humility. Verify before you react. One of the most powerful verses says, if someone unreliable brings you news, verify it. That's it. That's the tweet. Don't spread information online without checking. Don't ruin reputations off screenshots. Don't react emotionally before confirming facts. Islam is not impulsive, it's principled. Justice requires verification. Stop the fighting. If two groups of believers fight, Allah commands reconciliation. Not gossip, not picking sides for fun, reconciliation. Then He reminds us, believers are brothers and sisters. Unity isn't optional, it's commanded. That doesn't mean ignoring wrongdoing, it means correcting it fairly and restoring peace. No mocking or insults. Then comes the social behavior section. Don't mock people, don't insult them, don't call them hurtful names. And the reason? The person you're laughing at might be better than you in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You don't see their sincerity, you don't see their prayers, you don't see their private struggles. Islam doesn't cancel humor, but it absolutely cancels cruelty. There's a difference. No suspicion and no backbiting. Avoid excessive suspicion. Don't spy and do not backbite. Backbiting is described in a shocking way, like eating the flesh of your dead brother. It's meant to feel disturbing. Why? Because gossip destroys trust. Suspicion destroys relationships. The surah is teaching emotional discipline. Not every thought deserves to be believed. Not every rumor deserves to be shared. Protect people's dignity. Equality and real worth. One of the most powerful verses in the Qur'an is here. Allah says we were created from a male and a female and made into nations and tribes so we may know one another. Not compete, not feel superior, not rank each other. And then the defining line. The most noble in the sight of Allah is the most righteous, not the richest, not the most popular, not the most attractive. The most God-conscious. The verse that dismantles racism, classism, and superiority. Your worth is your taqwa. At the end, some people claimed they had full faith. Allah corrected them. Submission isn't the same as deep faith. Faith has to enter the heart. This reminds us that Islam isn't just labels or aesthetics. It's sincerity, it's consistency, it's literally obedience when no one is watching. And Allah knows what's inside. Surah Al-Hujurat is about respect, verification, unity, emotional control, equality, and sincerity. It's a social survival guide. If we actually lived this surah, our communities would look completely different. Less ego, less drama, more dignity. Go, read it slowly. Reflect on it. This surah doesn't just teach you how to worship, it teaches you how to treat people. And honestly, that's where real faith shows.